what's up? It is your girl LWL.
Alright guys, we're getting right into this video and I want to share with you how I create my everyday basic makeup look in under 20 minutes. It is very easy for beginners, and right there I'm just cleaning off any residue, and I'm going to start with my primer. I'm using Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection. I always use a primer, and it's really important to use a primer. You can skip this step, but I suggest that you don't. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face. In my description box will be dupes for the things that I'm using, or just other suggestions that work the same but are in a different price range, because I know everybody's budget is not the same. So make sure you check out the description box. And I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil, and I love the fact that it has the actual pencil on one end and the spoolie on the other. 2-in-1, saves me some time. So I always start from the bottom, and then I just start to fill in the sparse areas of my brow, and then I go to the top. And guys, this is a step that if you are not really into brows, or if maybe you have perfect brows and you don't need to do this, this will probably cut your time down by about 5 minutes, because this literally is the longest part of my makeup routine, even when it's simple. So I'm starting at 12:24. I just wanted to show you guys that, give or take a minute, since I already started with my brows, but that's just to kind of give you guys a timeline. I'm just going to go ahead and fill those in. And I always take a little concealer, and I'm going to do that and apply it to the base or the perimeter of my brows. I always stress when I do makeup tutorials to keep your concealer no more than 2 shades above your natural skin tone. Girl, you want to highlight your brows, but you don't want it to be like a chalk outline. So please be careful when it comes to choosing concealers, or you have to really, really blend out. Alright guys, so right there I'm just taking my fingers and I'm blending out the concealer, and just going on in with my finger. I'm actually patting on top of the brow. Don't be afraid if you mess up. There's always, you can always fix up your brows. So now I'm taking a black shadow, because I like my tail to be darker than the beginning of my brows, and I'm just filling that in with the powder that actually helps to set the pencil. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm taking the spoolie and I'm just going to blending it out from the beginning to the end. I want to kind of have that front part faded. So I do have a brow tutorial that you guys can check out. It will be either in the description box or somewhere around here floating around up top on the screen, or in the end card. So make sure that you check that out if you're interested. So now it's 12:29, not too bad. And I'm going to go right in with my foundation. This is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation. This is definitely different from my regular routine, guys, because I would use a primer for my eyelids, everything, but this is just really quick. When I'm in a rush, this is what I have to do. So I'm going to go right in with my foundation, and I'm just going to stipple that all over my face, and then once I have it stippled, I will then blend it in. Okay, y'all, I'm already feeling better. So I'm going to go in with this Cork eyeshadow from MAC. Basically, it's just a shadow that's a couple shades darker. So I would suggest, if you're looking to do the same, just get you a shadow, a neutral color that you can see on your lids, but it's not like a stark contrast to your actual skin tone. And I'm going in with my favorite mascara, the Maybelline Big Shot or Colossal. Again, check the description box. Everything will be down there. We are going to go under and over our eyelashes and really make them pop. And don't be afraid if you get it on your eyelid, because I'm going to show you what I do when that does happen. Easy way to just fix it, especially for a simple look like this. And another tip when you use mascara, guys, never pump your mascara wand into your actual container. Just twist it and pull out. Pumping it will do nothing but put air in your mascara and will dry them out quickly. So if you want to, your mascara to have longevity, do not do that. Just a quick tip. Right there, I'm just fanning out them. And that's what I do right there to actually get rid of the little mascara dots on my eyelids. I just blend it out with a brush. Now I'm just going to put a pop of color in my tear ducts. Make me look a little bit more awake. And this is by Makeup Geek, guys. I believe this one is Fortune Teller. $12.36. We doing good. And now what I do, I want to contour just a very little, because I want to bring some more definition and shade back to my face. So I'm using Film Noir by MAC, which is a blush, but I'm using that to contour. And again, this is a very easy version of contouring. So guys, you don't have to worry about wondering if you're going to be able to do it or if it's right. You're just going to do it in the hollows of your cheeks and around your forehead. I don't contour my nose, especially when I have time, or I don't have the time, should I say. And now I'm just putting a little highlighter on the tip of my nose and right above the apples of my cheeks. And I'm going to blend that out. That highlighter is from the ItsMyRayeRaye palette. And that's by BH Cosmetics. Alright guys, so I want to add a little bit of color to my waterline, and I'm just using the MAC Kohl pencil in Feline, and I'm just going to apply that directly on my waterline to outline that. And I'm going to go back in with that same mascara and just add a little light touch of mascara to my bottom lashes. And that's pretty much it, guys. We're going to work with these lips. Now, you can leave your lips very neutral. I want to make my look that's very simple look like I really did something and put it together. So I'm going to use a dark lip. I'm using a mixture of ColourPop and MAC. So I think this is called Friday. From ColourPop, or maybe Saturday. One of those days of the week. Make sure you look down below. I'm just taking that same ColourPop and deepening the color a little bit. And when you work with dark colors, guys, they can bleed around the lips. So I'm taking MAC's Vino lip liner and just going ahead and doing that around my lips so that way it does not bleed. And right there is the MAC lip glass that I'm just placing right on top of that. The color will be listed below.
Alright guys, that is it. I mean, pretty much quick and simple. It is 12:43, and that is including me still searching for stuff. I thought I had everything together. I did not. But I wanted to throw on like a darker look since it is fall. This is like one of my favorite lip colors in the fall, and also because it's fall, I wanted it to be a little bit juicy. Like, I'm a big fan of matte lipsticks. They definitely last all day. But I wanted to put a gloss on top of it, so I decided to do the MAC lip glass. All right. So guys, that is it. Thank y'all so much for watching. The only thing that you have to do now is either do a translucent facial powder or a spray, and I'm going to use my favorite spray here. Let's see if I can get y'all to see that. Okay, and voila. So guys, essentially this is like my quick go-to makeup. No light contouring. Basically it was just to bring a little bit color back to my face. No concealer and all that other stuff. No. Very simple, very easy, something that everyone can do. So good foundation, good lips, mascara, you're good to go, and good brows. Like that is the foundation of a good, well put together makeup look. So we all good, y'all. We all set there, gal. I just wanted to have you guys look up close. So, and that is what we are working with. If you guys like the video, make sure that you thumbs up if you want to see more. Also, make sure you thumbs up. There will be a link right here to my foundation video, which I did a while ago. I might do an updated one, but that basically is to show you, to let you know how to pick the perfect foundation for all ethnicities, all skin tones. It's basic rules to picking your foundation, and that's basically where your makeup starts, the foundation, which is why it's called foundation. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Be blessed, and most importantly, be a blessing. LWL, ooh, ooh, L. Mwah. Smooches, y'all.